Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 3 countings. Let's start. Orange color 1, ONE 1, 2, TWO 2, 3, THREE 3, 4, FOUR 4, 5, FIVE 5. Green color 6, SIX 6, 7, SEVEN 7, 8, EIGHT 8, 9, NINE 9, 10, TEN 10. Blue color 11, ELVEN 11, 12, TWELVE 12, 13, THIRTEEN 13, 14, FOURTEEN 14, 15, FIFTEEN 15, yellow color 16, SIXTEEN 16, 17, SEVENTEEN 17, 18, EIGHTEEN 18, 19, NINETEEN 19, 20, TWENTY 20. So kids, what orange color, green color, blue color, yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.